What's up, guys? So we'll do that unboxing here. I just woke up in the morning, Friday morning. So this is pretty cool. You can see that Samsung Neo QLED QN90A model, which is an 85-inch TV that I opened from the box alone. I was not ready when I woke up in the morning and I saw two delivery men delivered this heavy TV, like almost 70 kg, which is 154.3 pounds, with this box. I balance it gently and gently move the TV from the box, move it from front to back and from left to right, very carefully, slowly, left to right from the box. It's really so heavy. Two muscle men, they carry this TV. You cannot carry it. It's just really heavy. This is for the stand. There's the remote this time. This on top of the screen, see, look at that, is for protect the screen, especially small one. You see, this is the stand. This is for the stand, and the remote. So you see. Mention, see. You can remove the product symbol. So remove the product symbol. Not to make this remove. So I think it's need to 2% or like equal. This is really heavy. Make sure you make an equal balance. When lowering the TV, care should be taken in the middle to make sure that equal balance so that there is no pressure on the TV screen. I'm sweating. It's really heavy. This is so this screen, like largest screen, 85-inch, is really cool. And on the screen in front of that plastic was there before. It's really kind of huge, and I especially like about that remote. So remote has that battery solar system, so no need to worry about the battery, and they have the charging for USB-C port. So this is kind of really cool. And that's two of that for the stand for, and the put for screw right here. Yeah, I just opened by myself, like equal balance. It was really kind of heavy. It made me sweaty. But anyway. This goes to that, and there's a total 4 screw here. And goes to this balancing here. And this is the screw. So then it goes to that 4 screw here, and this all stand top of that. This is how it's supposed to be.
না এবার ওইটা পেয়েতে না
আচ্ছা
ধরতে হবে দুজন মিলে ধরতে হবে
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে power cable, you just have to be in the back. When the TV buyer finally found out that I was able to open it alone, he helped me out this 85-inch TV to put on the TV stand.
Two simple options. How would you like to get started?
Yes, I'll be happy to hear from you that how many inches TV screen you prefer more. Any comments or questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer for it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay well, and I'll catch you the next one. Peace.